Are you sure your last project actually made you money? It's a question many designers avoid. You delivered stunning work. The client was thrilled. You got paid. But after subscriptions, stock photos, endless revisions, and that irresistible font, what was truly left? For many creatives, the finances are a blur. Cash flows in and out, but you're not steering. This doesn't have to be your reality. In this video, you'll learn a simple system to track income and expenses, price with confidence, and feel in control, starting today. Before we get going, subscribe, like, and hit the bell for more tips like this. Join our community of design entrepreneurs and never miss a strategy. Your first step is to choose one place to track everything. The biggest mistake? Too many systems at once. Notes in a notebook, receipts in a shoebox, invoices lost in an email folder. This chaos creates confusion and inaction. The best tool is the one you'll actually use daily. Simplicity is your friend. You have three main options: a basic spreadsheet, dedicated accounting software, or a mobile-first app. Pick what fits your needs and budget. Don't overcomplicate it. Pick one and commit for 90 days. For many freelancers, a spreadsheet is enough. Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel. Create columns: date, description, client or project name, income, expense. Keep the template clean. Avoid complex formulas at the start. Manually entering rows builds awareness. Focus on accurate, consistent logging. Running a small studio? Tools like FreshBooks or QuickBooks can auto-import transactions and generate invoices and reports. On the go? A mobile app that scans receipts in real time prevents lost paperwork and forgotten purchases. Pick one and stick with it. Once you have your tool, create categories that actually reflect your business's income and expenses. Office supplies is too vague. Know if you're spending on essentials or on things that don't help you grow. Create 6 to 8 clear expense categories and a few simple income categories. Keep the list short and intuitive. For income, try illustration projects, animation gigs, digital product sales, website design fees, hosting and maintenance, UI/UX consulting. Tag income with client and project. That tagging becomes gold for analyzing your best clients and most profitable work. Sample expenses: software and subscriptions, equipment and hardware, marketing and promotion, outsourcing and contractors, education and training, client project costs. Tag expenses to projects, like icon sets bought for the Green Cafe website. Side-by-side revenue versus cost reveals true project profitability. The secret isn't a monthly marathon. It's a tiny daily habit. Record every transaction immediately, income and expenses. If not now, by day's end. 5 minutes a day prevents the receipt pile and keeps data accurate. Reduce friction. Using an app? Snap a photo. Using a sheet? Add a home screen shortcut. Client pays? Add an income line. Hosting bill hits? Log the expense. Don't say you'll remember later. You won't. Make it part of your routine, morning coffee or day's end. Consistency beats timing. This habit makes you mindful. Do I really need this subscription? Is there a more cost-effective option? It turns you into an active manager of your money. Loving these insights? If this is sparking new ideas for your design business, hit that like button and let us know your biggest takeaway in the comments. Your input helps fuel our creative community, and we might even feature your comment in a future video. Set aside 15 minutes every Friday. Review last week's transactions in your sheet or accounting software. Quickly scan, make sure everything's categorized correctly. If automation helped, double-check its choices. Check outstanding invoices and send a friendly reminder. This weekly rhythm prevents small problems from becoming big ones. Spot a late client payment or a subscription spike. Address it before it hits cash flow. At month end, take 30 minutes. Run a simple profit and loss report. One click in software, or some income and expenses in your sheet. Your P&L shows 3 key numbers: total income, total expenses, and net profit or loss. Compare months. Are trends positive? If expenses rose, why? If income dipped, why? This isn't judgment. It's the story your numbers tell to guide smarter decisions. You now have a 4-step framework to stop bleeding cash and take control of your finances. We covered picking one tool, creating specific categories, building a daily habit, and running weekly and monthly reviews. Knowledge is great. Action creates change. Right now, choose your tool and create your categories. Then record every transaction from the last 3 days. That's it. Feel the clarity kick in. Follow the daily habit all week. End with a 15-minute review. Keep it simple, stay consistent, and adjust as you grow. You're a designer. You solve complex problems with elegant systems. Apply that talent to your money. Start today, and a year from now you'll be amazed by the control you've gained over your creative business and your life. You've got this. Thanks for watching. If you found value, share it with a fellow designer. Now check out our other videos, or head over to thedesignlemonade.com to sign up for more exclusive content.